Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make part number 2. So let's begin. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Please support me. Go to the sketch and front name, make a circle and a vertical line followed by a horizontal and vertical line. And the dimension of the line would be 1.5 mm and the diameter of the circle is 260 mm and few stream entities and trim unnecessary part and make a circle about 45 mm. Now use extrude gauze for extrude and use another part number 3. Select the front plane, make a circle around 50 mm, then extrude it 17 inch, 72 inch equal to 1828 mm and use signature reverse direction 8 mm. Right. Okay. Okay. Now select the plane, select distance 40 mm, left direction, hit the green check, sorry, 50 mm, hit the green check, select this place, connect the circle, then you can convert entities or onto a circle. So the circle should be 50 mm. Select the project curve, sorry, ellipse and spiral. Select this line, constant, width should be 125 mm, reverse direction and revolution increased, starting angle 0 degree. Revolutions must be 13.75 and click the green. Now we have made a helix and spiral. So we need a plane. So select this spiral and this point. Select this plane and sketch. Plane number 2, we have to sketch. Now you can see the cross section, select corner rectangle, and the dimensions height 68 mm, around vertical lines 40 mm, and make it pierce. Select this line and this as select center points and this point make pierce. Select split pause and select this fence. Guys, if you know I have made a mistake, what is the mistake I have made? Please comment me and do a pause version. You know, it's a mistake. So how we can solve this issue? Screw conveyor should be something like spiral way, and the length should be 4 mm. Now it looks like a cone shape. No, it's not a perfect. Therefore, we need to change the plane. Not a helix and spiral. Helix and spirals is the perfect way I have it. When I was screen recording, I have made a mistake. Select this plane to and add it. We need to change this thing. So edge and point. This edge and point should be here. Plus sketch plane should be this place. This plane rebuild this or delete it. Select this thing, sketch and add it. We have to remove this relation coincident. Select this midpoint and this origin point and make it coincident. Again. Pairs or make it pairs. Choose swept boss. Select this case and the path should be spiral. Now it is the perfect. Yes. So isometric view, hide the plane, plane white, select this face and sketch. Convert into inside circle. Then extrude it. 60 mm reverse direction, 150 mm reverse direction. And the green check, select this face and skate. In the circle, 45 mm, select extrude cut. Sorry, this. I think I have made a mistake. Boss extrudes only reverse direction and cut extrude opposite direction. However, you need to know these pictures like this. Select this ribbon, switch over this sketch A, we have to select